Hi friends, it's Amanda and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Halloween video, another Halloween craft. This is such a cute and really fast Dollar Tree Halloween craft. Can't wait to do this one. Okay, so here are the things you're going to need. I picked up a couple candles from the Dollar Tree. This is just a red one in a jar, and then just a white pillar candle. This also came from the Dollar Tree. It is an LED candle, just a mason jar lid. This is left over from a canning, and a can of spray paint. You guys know that Rust-Oleum is my favorite, but we just use what we have around here, and I had a can of Krylon left over. Also a lighter, and you can use your hot glue gun. I didn't, but you can. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to spray paint. Now I'm just using this as my candle base. You could use anything, and if you have a candle base, that'd be fine. I didn't have one, so I just made a quick one. While that dries, we are just going to come on and I'm going to go ahead and light this candle so we can start the wax kind of melting. I didn't want to light it too soon because I didn't want it to pool and have too much wax. I wanted to just be able to use it basically as it burned down. And I'm just going to take all the plastic off the other items. Now here we're going to show you a prime example of what not to do. I like to leave these in my videos because sometimes things are trial and error. So I decided to pour it with holding the candle holder sideways, and look, it ran all the way diagonal, and that's not the look I wanted to go for. So I'm like, oh. So I do end up cleaning that off, and then I just started again and decided to hold it straight up and down so that, you know, hey, gravity's a thing, right? And so that it would just go down in a straight line. Again, I am just using this candle basically as it's burning because I didn't want it to just all dump out and be kind of a hot mess. So just you know, let it burn just a little bit, and you will kind of ruin your other little candle there, but you can put it. Okay, so for this next one, you can do it a couple different ways. Don't mind my head in the way there. Okay, so basically I'm just doing the same kind of thing, but I pulled the wick straight up so that it would be kind of out of the way. And I'm just kind of going from the center and working my way out. Now, another way you could do this, you could actually take a red candle and dip it in white. And so that way it would kind of... when you burn it, it would kind of create the same kind of effect. I just decided to do this way because I want to do the red candle for something else. But yeah, I'm just kind of letting it melt here and there. Not doing it too much. I could have let it melt a little bit more, but then letting it run over the sides. Now once you light this and it kind of all evens out, it's going to look even better. But the idea is just to get it to run down the sides with a red kind of top. And there they are, all put together. That my base is all dry, and I just put the little pillar. Again, you can use any kind of candle holder there. But guys, I love how creepy and fun, and just for a couple dollars, these are such a cheap and fast little Halloween craft. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for spending time with me. Thanks for watching all my Halloween videos. We're trying to do a video every day in October. Anyway, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.